Hello and thank you for watching this guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to properly open and close a jump ring using the tool. By following this method, you will be able to secure your jewelry more effectively and prevent the jump ring from coming loose. Now let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the jump ring closing pliers, the jewelry pieces with the open jump ring. Take a closer look at the jump ring. You will see a small gap where the two ends meet. Here. This is where we will be opening and closing the ring. Hold the jump ring with the pliers, gripping one side of the ring. Instead of pulling the ring apart sideways, gently twist one side forward while holding the other side still. This will create a small opening without distorting the ring's shape. Now attach the jump ring to the jewelry pieces. Ensure everything is in place before closing the ring. Using the pliers, gently twist the open side of the ring back into place. Move the ends back and forth slightly while pressing them together. This will help align them perfectly. If the gap is still visible, gently press the outer edge at a diagonal angle until the gap is no longer noticeable. After closing, check the ring to make sure there is no visible gap. If needed, repeat the twisting motion until the ends are perfectly aligned. Your jump ring is now securely closed. This simple technique helps to keep your jewelry strong and long-lasting.